Salam.
How are you, my dear?
Great. After a long time.
Yes. How was your journey?
Excellent. And yours?
Super.
Let's share our experiences.
Yes. Why not? Have a seat, please.
Okay.
Listen carefully, my dear. What did I learn?
Sure.
An 8-year-old boy went to his grandfather and proudly announced, "I'm going to be very successful when I grow up. Can you give me any tips on how to get there?" The grandfather nodded. Without saying a word, took the boy by the hand, walked him to a nearby plant nursery. The two of them chose and purchased 2 small saplings. They returned home, planted one of them in the backyard, while the other was placed in a pot and kept indoors. Years passed, and the grandfather carefully tended to both plants. One day, the boy, now a teenager, came to visit and said, "Grandfather, you never really answered my question from when I was a young boy." Then the old man showed the teenager the indoor tree and took him outside to have a look at a towering tree outside. "Which one is bigger?" the grandfather asked. "The outside one." "But that does not make sense. It has to cope with many more challenges than the inside one." The grandfather smiled. "Yes, but the risk of dealing with challenges is what is, as it has the freedom to spread its roots wide and its leaves towards the heaven. Boy, remember this, and you will be successful in whatever you do. If you choose a safe option all of your life, you will never grow. But if you're willing to face the world head on with all of its dangers and challenges, the sky is the limit." The moral of this story is, come out from comfort and safe zone and take challenges to be a successful man.
Wow, what a story it was.
Thank you.
Now listen to me. What did I learn?
Sure.
One day, a famous painter placed his painting on a busy intersection with a note written below it. "Whoever finds any mistakes in this painting should put a mark on that place." In the evening, when the painter checked the painting, it became sad, as there were 100 marks in this painting. Seeing this, he got very disappointed and silently picked up the painting and went home. This incident was negatively impacting him, and he stopped the painting. His mother was heartbroken when she saw him still suffering. So she said, "Let's do one thing. Put again a painting at the intersection, but this time different note." Painter was agreed. The next morning, he put a new painting at the intersection with a note written below it. "Whoever finds any mistakes in this painting, correct it." In the evening, when the painter and his mothers went to check the painting, it was still the same as it was in the morning. Painter was surprised to see this. His mother was noticed his surprise and said, "Do you understand something? Any fool can find mistakes, and most fools do. But there are very few people who can correct those mistakes. So here is the moral. There is no point in unnecessarily taking opinion of people who only want to find mistakes with others and emulate them."
Wow, what a wonderful story.
Thank you.
So friends, change your attitude and change your behavior.
Change your thinking and change your life.
Thank you.
Thank you.